Hello everybody. This is a statistics course and my name is Jang Byung-yun, professor of Aju GSIS, and you can call me 장 교수님. First of all, welcome to Korea and Aju GSIS. Before talking about statistics, let's talk about running in university. The meaning of university includes universal things, not particular things. So in the university, you have to run ability to embrace something special in the universal. Also, you have to run ability to create new universal thing through special things. These are most important part of learning in university. Then based on this learning in university, you have to continuously develop these two abilities throughout your entire life. In the previous viewpoint of learning in university, we can think ourselves as heritage heirs, meaning that we have to run what has been already developed and what has been already studied. But more than that, we have to create new traditions. We have to create new things and new truth. These are what you have to run in university. So in this class now, you have to think about what you would like to run in university, especially in Aju GSIS, and why you come to Korea to run something. After finishing this class, don't just close the book and go outside and pray. Instead, think about what you have to run in Aju University. To answer what management is in terms of your viewpoint, you have to know how to ask in diverse ways and in depth. To do that, you need extensive literature reviews such as books and journals, etc. After that, again, you need to ask yourself, oh, these are answers from literature, then think about your answer, and you have to make your own answer, but it needs time. That is a general way to answer question for important question to your life. Now let's talk about statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is way to get useful information from data. Is that all? Is there nuance about statistics? What's your answer for statistics? Make your answer about statistics. For me, statistics is a way of thinking and way of interpreting reality. How do I get this viewpoint? Because I spend a lot of time to study statistics and still using statistics in my life. So to get this viewpoint, it's not easy. Like before, you have to study a lot and you have to spend a lot of time with the statistics. Then you can think this kind of viewpoint. well, you can have this kind of a viewpoint. So remember, statistics is not just a way to get useful information from data. It is a way of thinking and a way of interpreting reality. At the end of this class, you need to define what statistic is for yourself. So, expecting your study in this class. And this is a textbook definition of statistics. Statistic is a way to get useful information from data, and statistic is a tool for creating new understanding from a set of numbers. Let's see an example. A student enrolled in business program is attending the first class of the required statistics course. The student is somewhat apprehensive because he believes the myth that the course is difficult. To alleviate his anxiety, the student asked the professor about last year's marks. The professor avails and provides list of the final marks, which is composed of term work plus the final exam. What information can student obtain from the list? This is a list of final marks. What kind of information can you get from this data? Can you have useful information from this data? These are typical things you can do with data if you use statistics. As you can see, typical mark, mean and median. Mean, if you calculate the mean, is 72.67, and median is 72. Is this enough information? Think about it. We need more information. Most of the marks clustered around the mean, or are they more spread out? From the previous data, for this information, we can calculate range. It is maximum minus minimum, so 92 minus 53 is 39. Or variance, or standard deviation. You can calculate this kind of information from the previous data. Are there many marks below 60 or above 80? What proportion are A, B, C, D grades? A graphical technique, histogram, can provide us this and other information. This is a histogram. From this histogram, we can see the distribution of data. Now, let me explain part of statistics. First, descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics deals with the methods of organizing, summarizing, and presenting data in a convenient and informative way. One form of descriptive statistics uses graphical techniques which allow statistics practitioners to present data in ways that make it easy for the reader to extract useful information. When you see histogram, you can see the distribution of data. That's useful information. Another form of descriptive statistics use a numerical technique to summarize data. The mean and median are popular numerical technique to describe the location of the data. The range, variance, and standard deviation measure the variability of the data. These are descriptive statistics. So statistics have two parts of statistics. One is a descriptive statistic. The other one is inferential statistic. Descriptive statistic can be use a numerical technique or can use graph or tablet technique. And also another part of statistics is inferential statistic. For inferential statistic, I'm going to explain next week. Before finishing, let's talk about our homework. What do you want to learn in Azure GSIS? What do you have to learn in university? What is management? What is statistics? Before answer, read several literature such as books and journal. You can see website or other lectures too. But finally, you have to make your own answer. Submit your answer with a literature review. When we meet offline at first time, use this format: Microsoft Word, point size 11, 1.5 space, minimum number of pages 3, maximum number of pages 5. Next time, I'm going to talk about textbook and syllabus. And also, I'm going to talk about inferential statistics and data types. Well, we are done. See you soon. Bye.